Can you unpair your Samsung Galaxy Watch without your phone? Yes, you can. Recent updates have made it much easier. This video will guide you through the process, step by step. We'll cover why you might need to do this and how it works with the latest Galaxy Watch models, including the Galaxy Watch 7 and Watch Ultra 3. We'll also discuss important updates like the One UI Watch 6.0 Quick Unpair feature. There are several reasons why you might want to unpair your Galaxy Watch without your phone. If you've lost your phone, unpairing directly from the watch ensures your data stays secure. When moving to a new phone, unpairing clears the old connection before setting up the new one. To give your watch to someone else, unpair it to remove personal data and connections. For connectivity issues, unpairing resets Bluetooth and data sharing to resolve problems. As a precaution, unpairing is a good security measure if you no longer have access to your phone. Understanding the difference between a soft unpair and a factory reset is crucial when managing your Galaxy Watch without a phone. A soft unpair disconnects your watch from the phone while preserving all your data and settings. In contrast, a factory reset completely erases all data, returning the watch to its original factory state while also unpairing it. Select a soft unpair if you plan to pair the watch with another phone and want to keep your data. Use a factory reset when selling the watch or needing to completely erase personal information for security. To perform a soft unpair, start by swiping down from the watch face to access the quick panel. Next, tap the settings icon in the quick panel. Navigate to Connections and then Bluetooth in the settings menu. Look for an unpair device or disconnect option. The exact wording may vary by model. Tap this option, and you may need to enter your PIN or use biometric verification to confirm. Remember, your watch needs to be charged above 20% for this process to work. To perform a factory reset without a phone, power off your watch completely. Then, press and hold the home, power, and back buttons simultaneously until the recovery mode screen appears. This usually takes about 10 to 15 seconds. Use the buttons to navigate to the Wipe Data Factory Reset option, and then confirm your selection. Be aware that this will erase all data on your watch. This method ensures data security without needing your phone. Sometimes the unpairing process might not go smoothly. Let's look at common issues and their solutions. First, ensure your watch is adequately charged. The battery should be above 20% for the process to work properly. If the unpair option appears grayed out, try restarting your watch by holding the power button. If problems continue, double-check that Bluetooth is enabled on the watch before attempting to disconnect. In extreme cases, a factory reset is often the most reliable solution. This will unpair the watch and clear all data. Security is paramount when unpairing your Galaxy Watch. Always ensure that you are the one initiating the unpairing process to protect your personal data. If your watch supports biometric authentication, like a fingerprint scanner, use it to prevent unauthorized unpairing. This adds an extra layer of security. After unpairing, especially after a factory reset, consider removing your watch from any linked Samsung accounts to further protect your data and prevent unauthorized access. Following these best practices helps ensure your Galaxy Watch remains secure throughout the unpairing process. The ability to unpair without a phone is part of a larger trend toward more independent smartwatches. With advancements like 5G connectivity and AI integration, future Galaxy Watches will likely offer even greater phoneless functionality. Expect voice commands and gesture controls to simplify unpairing, making the process even more seamless. These advancements align with the industry's move toward self-sufficient wearables, enhancing user autonomy and convenience.